This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bean soup. First, gather all your ingredients, such as 1 pound of dried beans, fresh vegetables like carrots and celery, and aromatic herbs. Remember to soak your beans overnight or use a quick soak method to reduce cooking time significantly. This preparation step is crucial for achieving a tender texture and even cooking, ensuring your soup is delicious from the start. Once your beans are properly soaked, drain and rinse them well. Transfer the beans to a large pot and cover them with about 6 cups of fresh water or vegetable broth. Bring this to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer gently until the beans are tender, which might take 1 to 2 hours. Remember, adding salt too soon can make your beans tough, so hold off for now. While your beans are simmering, you can start building the flavor base. In a separate pot, sauté your chopped onions, carrots, and celery with 2 tablespoons of olive oil until softened. Add minced garlic and cook for another minute. Once the beans are tender, add them to this vegetable mixture along with their cooking liquid or fresh broth and your chosen spices for a rich, aromatic soup. Now it's time for the finishing touches. Taste your soup and adjust the seasonings, adding salt, pepper, and any additional herbs you like. If the soup is too thick, add a little more broth or water to reach your desired consistency. Ladle your warm, comforting bean soup into bowls, garnish with fresh parsley or a drizzle of olive oil, and enjoy this hearty meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.